Namaste friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are heading to one of Kerala's hidden gems, the beautiful hill station of Naliampathy, the temple town Guruvayuru, Union Territory of Pondicherry, Mahe, Kerala's beach paradise, Kannur. This trip we are on an epic 4-day bike trip from Bangalore, exploring scenic roads, hidden gems, and off-road adventures. We took blessings of God and started at morning 4:30 for the ride. After a long hours of ride out of Bangalore, we have finally hit our first stop near Salem. Before we climb up the hills of Naliampathy, we stopped at Pothandi Dam, over 150 years old, built with lime and jaggery instead of cement and still standing strong. Before we start climbing the hills of Naliampathy, here is something every traveler should know. At the forest checkpost, you will need to make an entry and show proof of your stay booking. If you don't have a confirmed stay, you will be allowed only for a day trip and will have to return the same day. Mid of Naliampathy Hills, boys having fun. Finally, after 9 hours of long journey, we have reached our destination. As we step out of our stay, we are greeted by the lush tea estates stretching endlessly on one side and the dense forest on the other. If we are lucky, we might even catch a glimpse of wild elephants gracefully walking through the estates. To reach Naliampathy top viewpoint, you need to hire a jeep. The ride costs around 2,500 rupees and it takes you on a thrilling 2-kilometer climb through the mountains. A little further up, there is a forest checkpost and you will be charged 50 rupees per person.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅದಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಜೀಪ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಲ್ಲಿಯಂಪಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದು ನಲ್ಲಿಯಂಪಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಆಫ್ ರೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಈಗ. ಮಳೆಗಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದರೆ ಬೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಗೇರ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಮುಂದೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಿಂದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಎಂಥ ಜಾಗ. ಇದು ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಡ್ರೈವರ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ఇదంతా పోయలేదు, మా 2 వీలర్ ఇలా పోయలేదు, అంతా స్కిడ్ అయిపోయింది. రొటేషన్ हाँ आ रहा है क्या?
सारे शुरू नहीं है
हाँ?
तो तुम्हारे
उसमें ले लेंगे फोटो, उसमें फोटो ले लेंगे।
लगेगा।
This is Kesavanpara viewpoint. Entry point is opposite to AVT tea factory. You have to do 30-minute trek to reach to this point. Trek timings is morning 8 a.m. to evening 4 p.m. and you have to return by 5 p.m. At the top you can have a panoramic view of valleys and also distant Potundi Dam, and also you can roam around the top. A natural well on top of hill with water always there for 365 days.
Later.